Okay, we're back with you guys with John again on the dozer. We bought the part that we need. This is the guide. It's the guide, right, John?
Yeah, these
Yeah. It's like
shocks.
the shocks for the guide, actually. And this is how it's when it's new, and this is how is it after years of work. This is already destroyed and broken. So it was good things to do, buy a new one. And John got the bolts that we need. So all what we need now, just cut the spacers and put everything together.
Start fabricating.
Yep. Hopefully it will work the way that we want it. As John getting ready to cut those spacer, I'm gonna take this fork and what I got grinded here from the wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it up with welding and grind it, make it a little bit stronger. So stay tuned. طيب هيك يا جماعة. Okay guys, so it's not that pretty, but it's gonna be much stronger than leaving it that way. And I really don't want to spend money on finding another one right now. It's gonna do the job. Yeah, I guess it's ready. How's it going?
Oh yeah, watch where you're stepping there. Melts your boot. Whew. Just set it right on the on there.
Got it? It's heavy.
Yeah, she's heavy. I don't know, maybe we should have got the tractor.
Does it go a certain direction though?
Yeah, just like that.
Whew. I guess
Tip it back this way.
I guess we need some gloves, man.
Grab that bar again.
And slide this?
Yeah. And if it drops, let go. So
Almost there.
they go the rest of the way. You gotta roll the bracket. Roll the bracket first.
You can brighten it. See what is it here? Between this.
Get the bottom to drop down in the track, and then we can rig that come along up again.
Whew.
Right up right here.
Okay, we got this side started and tight. So we still need to get the other side tight. Or did you get it?
Just gonna tighten it up now. They're started. Just gonna.
There was a pin in the neck to get it aligned, but it's already start. All of the 4 bolts started, so
That's why that didn't tighten up all the way. So it's up top. So loosen that bolt up.
it's pretty close. All right, we're about to get it down and see if that did the job.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, I think you can.
Just enough.
Be careful. You got it. We like to do things dangerous, huh?
I also live dangerously.
Yeah, we like to do it the dangerous way. It looks good.
Still got my fingers up.
It's looking good. This track was terrible. It's loose.
Get my hand in there now. Look at that.
Yeah. Good job, man. Tying up some bolts and we're done with this. Just gonna have to adjust the steering, clutch, and do some work. Alright guys, well, hope you enjoy this as much John enjoy it.